Believe it or not, I found this Bluetooth speaker in a dumpster. It's pretty nasty. I don't know, does it work? I'm gonna check and I'm gonna try it to bring this gadget in life. Let's start today's video. This thing is so nasty, dust everywhere. So when I open it, I need deep cleaning on the plastic case and check the electronics, check the battery, check the speaker, and yes, I'm gonna try it. Before opening, let's try it. Does it work? No, and the switch is acting weird. Okay, here sits the battery. I suppose it's a lithium battery. Let's open. Right. Come on. Oh! Oh! What is this? Is there a mosquito? Dead mosquito. Can you see it? It's a dead insect. Mosquito. The battery terminals of the battery are completely corroded. Let's try it. Whoa. Come on, mosquito. Whoa. It's not very light, but for sure this will go into the dumpster. Just to check with my multimeter. Yep, it's completely dead, and this is a bad battery. Need replacement. I got a bunch of these. I'm gonna use with higher capacity. Alright. And take a look at that corrosion. That need to be fixed or replaced with another terminal. Oh, take a look how much dust is inside the box, and take a look also how much electronics it have inside the box. It's just a speaker and that tiny PCB board and a battery holder, nothing more. This is very cheap Bluetooth speaker. It cost maybe 50 cents. Let's remove the board now. So nasty, man. I should use gloves. I do a mistake, but now it's too late. Okay, this is the board. Oh, dust everywhere. Oh man. They're missing one screw on the speaker. It have this wire as acting like an antenna. Removing the speaker. Oop. Beside, what is this? It's hot glue on the speaker. Why? And also the they try to fix the wire with hot glue and then drop it on the speaker. There is a LED that lights on the speaker. this will be nice. Just to remove this. Okay. This need a deep cleaning. Okay. With pliers I'm gonna disconnect the power wires. And now I have these for cleaning, also this one and this one. Everything is for cleaning. Okay. Before I clean the case, I will clean the PCB board and test it, and then I'm gonna clean the box. Here it is, the PCB board is clean, also in the speaker. And now I'm gonna connect 4 volts on these wires that was attached to the battery. Whoa!
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It's working. The RGB, fast RGB LED blinking that's supposed to light the speaker, that is nice, it's working. The blue blinking light means that the Bluetooth is also working. The switch, yes, turning off, turning on.
The Bluetooth device.
Alright. Now I can proceed with cleaning the case, and later I'm gonna assemble everything. Kinda black color for the Bluetooth speaker is little boring, so I decided to paint the case with the bronze color, and I hope that will turn pretty cool. Let's add the paint now. While it's assembled in the factory, the hot glue stick it on the membrane of the speaker, and I'm gonna try to remove that by adding small amount of water, and I hope that will come out. And later I need to leave it to dry the membrane from the water. Okay, and gentle, I'm gonna pull out. Maybe this will work. Alright, I pull it out with little bit of damaging the membrane, but nothing to worry, this will be fine. While waiting the paint to dry on the case, I'm gonna clean the terminal. The negative terminal is okay, but the positive terminal was very much corroded, so I clean it, And now I'm gonna add a thin layer of tin with my soldering iron. First adding a soldering paste. Okay. And I'm doing this just to prevent further corrosion. Alright, this is good. It's much better, and this problem is fixed. Okay. Take a look at the paint. It turned out amazing, and I love it. This color is great. Bronze. This is good. Just to remove this. I wanted the buttons to stay black. Also, I'm gonna remove this. Alright. And this. This is good. Now let's assemble everything. About this crack, I fix it by adding a super glue, but it will remain like a crack. Placing the terminals. Okay. And the other one. Good. Now from the board I'm gonna solder the two wires, positive and the negative wire. Just to add just a little bit thin on the wires. Okay. And on this one. Okay. This is negative. This is positive here. Okay. Next is to attach the board here and the speaker also. No. First adding the RGB LED. It was right here with wire. Okay. Now goes the speaker. Okay, and the board like this. Oh, adding this thing. Nice. What do you think, guys? It's much better than previous look. And the last thing is adding the new lithium 18650 batteries. Okay, placing the lid, adding the screw, okay, and let's try it. Oh,
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
very loud. Okay, just to connect my phone, and that RGB blinking light is awesome. Okay, it's connected with my phone, and listen. Okay, the buttons are working. Let's try mode.
The radio model.
Oh, it have a radio. Scan. How to do it? It's searching. Alright, it's working. Because of the copyright strike, I don't want to find any good station.
Aux input model.
Input mode for the USB and the micro SD card. That's good.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
And play. Good. Nice. For free Bluetooth speaker found in the dumpster. This is great. And the color, I love it. Bronze. Good. If you like this restoration video, please give a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Next song. Bye.